What's up, everyone, and welcome to episode 2 of the Trade of the Week series here at MapotFX.net. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend and you are all ready for the week ahead. So, on this episode, we're going to cover CHFJPY as our trade of the week. A very beautiful setup building up on CHFJPY, and also heading into next week, I do believe we will be able to catch some good moves heading into next week. So hopefully we will be able to catch those moves. So on my top trade watch list, I have Euro USD, CHFJPY, Euro CAD, Euro Yen, and Pound Yen heading into next week. But on this episode, we are going to cover CHFJPY. So let's get into it. So looking from the weekly time frame, so if I just take out some of these drawings that I have. So looking at CHFJPY currently sitting at a very good area. So we currently rejected off 114.5. That's the region we were looking out for. And on the weekly time frame, we have formed one of the best patterns that I look out for as reversal patterns, which is the 3-pin pattern. So we had like 3 attempts trying to break above this region. So first attempt, second attempt, and third attempt, leaving 3 pins on top and marking the 3-pin pattern. So looking from the weekly time frame, there isn't really anything important, but just looking at this region, we haven't been able to break above since December 2019. So this is a very strong psychological level and a very strong resistance level. So looking at it towards next week, we will be possibly having good trade setups going to downside. So I am looking for possible short trades heading into next week. So looking from the daily time frame, we did see like a mini double top here. So with the members of MapotFX, we did discuss this trade last week, and we were able to get some few short trades coming into that week. So we had like the first sell trade before the market started to rebound again. Then we had another beautiful sell trade on Wednesday. Then on Thursday and Friday, the market rebounded back to the upside. So coming into next week, what I'm expecting is possibly another rebound to the downside, another big push to the upside. So all these moves have been impulsive, but the moves going up have been corrective, and the structure has been forming lower highs and lower lows. So currently, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, so at the 4-hour time frame, we have been forming lower highs and lower lows. So the first lower high here, and lower high there, lower low, and lower low here. So towards next week, I am hoping for another push to the downside, creating a next lower low point, maybe to around 113, 113 region. That is where I am looking out for potential sell trades. So looking at it from the 1-hour time frame now for possible entry points, where would I be able to catch some good entries? So looking at the structure at the moment, the market has just been choppy once it reached this area. So it won't be a surprise if you see once the market opens, price starting to range a little bit before it actually sell off. So that's one of the first attempts, or one of the first possible trades that I'm looking out for. And also, it won't be a surprise if you see like the market break above, trickle its way all the way up to this region, pick up some from there. Sorry. So let me take this out. So it won't be a surprise if you start to see the market range and trickle its way all the way up to here and drop from there. So it won't be a surprise if we come here and form like a double top formation from there before this sells off the downside. So at the moment, looking for possible short trades, but we're still sitting at a good psychological number of 1114. So you can take an entry from there. So I'm looking for entries from there. My stop loss goes slightly above the previous high point here because I want to give it room. So even if this trickles its way all the way up here, I will be able to hold it. And first target to this low here gives me around 70 pips, but I'm looking out for 113 for 104 pips. And if this is the move that goes off completely, then 1112.20, that's the next possible target for 180 pips. And since we are looking at it from the daily time frame, this is like the main target. We are looking to see this go all the way down here for that 530 pips. But knowing and understanding like this can take a long time, because the move going up started in May 2020 all the way to July 2020. So 2 months playing out to the upside. So it might also take another 2 months heading to the downside. But hopefully we won't have to wait 2 months to play out. So you can also be able um, to marginalize on those small trades on on lower time frames like the 1 hour daily and the 4 hour. So that's CHFJPY on the bigger picture. So I hope everyone understood this quick market breakdown, quick brief roundup of what we are looking out for the week. So this is the trade of the week. I hope like everyone will be able to catch it. So can this push to the upside? It can. There is always a possible and probable in the market. So the possible is that this might break to the upside because this can be seen as an impulse up. This is the correction. So as a flag pattern, so this can rebound and break to the upside and continue pushing to the upside. But looking from the higher time frame structure, we have already seen like we haven't been able to break above since 2018. So 2 years trying to break above, but we failed. So if this resistance holds, then we are up for a very good short trade. So I hope you all trade safely, and for any questions, any suggestions, be sure to contact us, and also leave a like and subscribe if you're watching from YouTube. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep supporting MokoTFX.net. I hope you all trade safely, and catch you all on the trading floor. Cheers and happy trading. Bye.